Jesus na-apari amụ ya ka amụ ya ihe ụmụaka na-apari amụ ya ọgwụrụ amụ nwa 2 years apariala amụ like that. Onyeze Jesus na-apari amụ. Onyeze Jesus, from crying out loud, I know a lot of people will be like, what this man is doing is wrong. Come on, that's his personal life. That is what he likes doing. You understand? But then again, open another page. Open another page for
Hey, my people, not be small something. You don't set again, my people. Onyeze Jesus, where are you? No be small something, my people everywhere don't scatter. No be small matter. Make una carry una joko. Tesi na come listen to Chisom Otu. Chisom Otu. Something like that. Make una come listen to her. No be small something. Only my ear no fit hear this one. Finish show. For this update so na about Onyeze amo na back. No be small amo. They say amo be one tearly cannot be small something. No, may not come be say I too talk. I go leave una. Make una for listening to Chisom Otu for waiting it talk. My people not be small something. Na Onyeze Jesus and Pinopino. Na he con the trend though. Not be small matter. The father of all mess. Who you follow motto. Who you motto matters. Okay, my people, make una regade.
Onyeze Jesus na-apari amụ ya ka amụ ya ihe ụmụaka na-apari amụ ya ọgwụrụ amụ nwa 2 years apariala amụ like that. Onyeze Jesus na-apari amụ. Onyeze Jesus, from crying out loud, I know a lot of people will be like, what this man is doing is wrong. Come on, that's his personal life. That is what he likes doing. You understand? But then again, open another page. Open another page for a family vlog between you, your wife, and your kids, where you can express yourself. Open another page. That page is for church people. You use church people page to come and be doing, hey, because open another page. Because I think that your page is for your ministry, your church people, and your you understand? All those things you do, I think that page is for that one. Open another page where you go the blog. Now now you're Pinopino. Since that is what you like doing, because a lot of people will start pointing hands at you. Look at what pastor is doing. You understand me? But they don't know that is your personal life. They don't know that you don't have to decide for somebody. You understand? People where they can't tell you, say, see what they do, their own better, their own not better. So open another page. We the viewers are eager to watch. Because open another page. We are eager. We have data to watch. You understand? Leave your church page alone. That one is for God. Open your family vlogging. Program. We will watch it. Onyeze Jesus. And screenshot. Okay? You understand? It's a family page, my son. It's a family page. Give a family vlogging. Ne pastor amuge. Pinopina yari anake. Yawa. Give ana yari amuge. Ne jani shihawa amuge. Pinopino. You understand? But that one that you always pretend that you don't know when Pinopino started the video. I don't understand it. Why you just pretend? Ay, Pinopino kaya laptop kwa mong man kaya na laptop mo. Ina laptop kwa machine ne penyo. It's a planned work, we know. Yes, I'm not planned work. Kukuma open another page. Because me as a shower girl, I go like see your prig. You understand?
Wow, my people. No be small something, my people. Onyeze Jesus. No, Onyeze matter na ikon the trend no be small matter. Onyeze Jesus they beg that thing where they under no be small something no. Pinopino ye moto right. Pinopino do this so. Chisom Otu now don't fall out. She don't come contribute. Say she na Ezasha wanna understand na Otu matter na she dey talk about and I understand. I know say many of una don't cross her video. Everything about her now, you know, Otu update up to vlog na they do. This one now, it can let Onyeze know. May Onyeze may open another family page. May they there if they go they post all those Igbola of a 10. Onyeze go they act that kind of movie. May they post for there and Pinopino go open his own you know, many pop the two thing when God give her he go they put her for there. Say we they ready to view am, to watch as the Igbola be. Say this one when we see so, say e dey inside cloth, say treasure cover am, say the mat dey pepepe, say e show come out. Say if you open that page, because this one so where they for do this one, say now that place if for they do church, if for they do your own thing, say may you open another one so that they go they give us movie they watch. If you go feel remove cloth, we go see as the Igbola be. No be small something, my people. As I cross this one, I will choke to lies. This one choke me. My people now here now want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you all. Ciao ciao everyone. My people, make una help me share the